Right. Do you know where I am? I am in a beautiful paddy field. Why I have come to this place? Today I hope to give you some thing about the agriculture of Sri Lanka. Do you know the agriculture? The Do you know this one? This is paddy field. This is a paddy field. The Sri Lankan, as a Sri Lankan, our national food is rice. Then most of villagers cultivate paddy in Sri Lanka. In the olden time, the Sri Lanka is called the granary of the East because we have exported the rice to other countries also. Right. Today we are going to discuss about the history of this paddy field. Do you know this place? This is a canal. This is a canal. Why we use a canal? The farmers have used a canal to receive the water for their cultivations, because in rainy season we can fill water to the lakes. Then from the lake we transport water through this canal, and farmers can get water from their cultivations. Then they can get better result from the cultivation. Right. Now you can see matured seeds. Matured seeds. You can see matured seeds because now the time has come to reap. You can see these seeds very close to get their harvest. You can see these are the harvest, very close to reap. Then olden time people have used their hands. It means people have support each other. We call this in Sinhala word attam, because I go to my paddy field and I reap my paddy field, and after that I go to another paddy field and get support with each other. Then but by the passage of time people have used machineries for this, but no matter, in some villages still we can see these things. It means people in olden time people have used buffaloes to plow in the paddy field, but now we use tractors, anything else. Then after that we cultivate paddy. Then you can see, now I told you the time has come to reap, but there are so many diseases also. It means just like a people, then cultivations also have some diseases. It means especially insects problems. Then people in olden time and in the present also, people use some invisible powers. They believe invisible powers. It means some list, we can say the myth also, but no matter, but people use invisible powers. It means sometimes we use gods, because then our main part, it means our base part of the cultivation, it means our harvest, we offer to the Lord Buddha and some gods also. Right. Now I am going to show you some special place. Let's go with me. Now let's go inside to the paddy field. Can you see this? These are the hay. These are the hay. It means dried plant of the seed. Then after that, when we shake, you can see chaff. So there is a dust. It is a dust. You can see chaff. Sometimes you can see. It is, I think you can see. We call that chaff. It is a dust. Then I want to show you something. What is this part? Can you see this part? We call this one stubble. Stubble. It means the lower part of the, it means our paddy tree, paddy plant. Then after cutting this plant, we have to keep this on the ground, then we remove this part, it means our seed from this side, then we can bring it to the threshing floor, then we can get the harvest. But today we don't bring, it means don't carry those seeds to the threshing floor, because we use very high technology, it means we use machineries to harvesting, it means harvesting machines we use. Therefore in the paddy field itself we get the harvest to our home, right? I think you can have some idea about the paddy field. It means I told you this is very big process, right? Let's talk about something what we found in the paddy field. Have you seen this item here before? This very special thing. There is a trouble of insects to the cultivation. So our farmers have used this traditional method to remove insects. Very special thing. You can hear over there also. There are in some places we stand this type of thing, and they believe we can remove insects that they damage to the harvest, right? Okay, I have something to show you, very special thing. I think you have seen here before, but let's look at it. What is this? Have you seen this here before? I think sometimes you have seen. This is the harvest. We have crept, but we haven't taken the seeds from this, but they need some time to take this out. Until they take the harvest to their home, they protect this harvest like this. We call this in Sinhala Watamaluwa, but there is no any English word for this. This is just like some dagab, just like same. Then we use this one to protect their harvest until to take into their house, right? You can have some idea about this one. Right. Today I have come outside from my classroom because I want to show you the practical happening of the paddy field. It means our cultivation system. Now you have seen everything. So can you remember what we found in the paddy field? Yes. First, the farmers, I told you, farmers plow in the paddy field. After that, they have planted, it means spread their seeds to get this harvest. Now you can all around the harvest everywhere in the paddy field. Then after that, people reap them and they get the harvest to their homes. Then I told you the Sri Lanka is an agricultural country. Then our staple food is rice. Then this agriculture system, it means paddy cultivation, is the main industry. It means Sri Lankan. As a Sri Lankan, the paddy cultivation is very important part. It is the lifeblood of our Sri Lankan Buddhist people. So I think you can have some idea about this natural environment. Then if we can breathe very fresh air, you can refresh your memory also. In the evening I have come to this place. I think you can feel this environment in a video at least. I think you will enjoy this video and you will take some words. What is the agriculture's words and how it happens and how we do the people. So I think you have a little knowledge about the agriculture in Sri Lanka, right? I think we can meet from another video soon. Okay, goodbye.